everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how to mention someone on Trello's card. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser and type Trello.com and open your Trello website or your Trello's workspace. After entering your Trello's workspace, you have to open your board, and after coming on board, you have to move forward. And in terms to do that, you simply have to select your board and tap on text channel, and after tapping on it, it will give you some options, and in these options you will find an option of change members. Tap on it and now write the name of your member which you want to add in your card. Just simply add your member which you want to add, tap on it, and now you have to write a name and then press on add again, and the member will be added in your card. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this video will help you in any way. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can add a member in your Trello's card.